Hi, I'm Barbara Fearer, mentor of thelisteningtouch.com. I teach mums how to relieve stress and pain in their babies by using the listening touch. This touch uses simple and gentle hand placement techniques to bring calm and well-being to these babies. In this video, I'll discuss how to calm your baby when he has hiccups. I remember when my baby would start hiccuping, I would immediately put her over my shoulder and pat her back. Then I would hold my breath to see how long it would take to disappear or when the frustrated hysterics would begin. Hiccups are caused by the sudden contractions of the diaphragm, which then makes the windpipe close off for a few seconds, causing the hiccup sound. When the hiccups become uncontrollable, your baby is frustrated and you are left feeling helpless because it's difficult to make them stop. This following technique will control the hiccups and calm your baby. Hold your baby against you, his back against your chest or stomach. You can sit or stand. In some cases, it's better for the baby if you stand so that he is stretched out and not scrunched up, allowing air to flow freely. Hold him comfortably with one hand and rest the second hand very gently under his rib cage. Wait patiently for the heat to be released. You need total patience. Only then will there be release. For more information on learning these techniques, click on the link in the description below this video. I'm Barbara Fearer, wishing you a super calm day.